Alright guys, so we finally got the DJI FPV remote controller, mode 2. We're going to be flying it on the Flywoo Vampire 2. This is the 4S version. Goohoo Stack, Robo Modus, Nin. Alright, let's get into this box opening. First time opening it up. First we got instructions. Okay. So we got the controller, and it is mode 2. If it was mode 1, this one, the throttle would be on this side. So they did send me the right one. That's really good. It's actually really good. So if this is mode 2, mode 1 would be on this side with the throttle. So this is mode 2. Just so you guys know. If you drone quad flyers out there, order mode 2, not mode 1. And that's that. Time to charge it up and go fly. Have a good one, guys.